bought the wife's Jeep, the seats were completely shot. Like ripped, completely torn. Just not worth saving. So what we did, we swapped in new seats that we had in stock. And while they worked, but something was always off. Like when you sit in it, you're just not lined up at the wheel. It kind of feels off. You're a little closer to the door than you should be. And at first, you really don't notice it, but after you start driving it for a while, it becomes annoying. So today, we're gonna tackle that problem. The plan is pretty simple. We're gonna build a bracket and weld it to the frame and shift it over almost 2 inches. Nothing fancy, just something super strong and solid. Now you never know it's 2 pieces. All right, now that I've got the seat bolted up, let's test it out. Oh wow, look at that. Nice and centered. Nice space between the door. You can actually put your seatbelt on. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is one of those things you kind of just put off because it still works. So you leave it, but once you fix it, it makes a huge difference. And now she doesn't have to drive all tight to the door. And now I just gotta spend some time on my Jeep.